Nine. Nine. Any kisses? Little bites, eh? You need bites? Ow. You got teeth now, don't you? Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy, look at the size of you. You're just a giant, aren't you? Oh, you don't want me petting you? What's wrong? You don't want pets? Oh. You wanna go? No? Where are you going? Come here. Come here, Bubbins. Oh, these two going at it. Hi! Frankenstein! Oh! Oh! You just or your brother's gonna come help you out now? Oh, it's the little one! My little Rentman. Oh, Rentman. Oh, yeah. Come here. Meet Rentman. She's so sweet. Oh, standing and such. Oh. Whoa, did you just fall over? That's one of the giants. That's the other one. Oh. Yeah. Oh, so sweet. Oh, puppy plate. Oh, take down. They're all scrappers. Hey, you, come here. Oh, oh, I know you don't like it. You don't like me. Oh, you don't bite me. He's gonna tickle you though. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Oh no, you're getting smothered now.